Take it. We should get away from here. Never back to this. It's all I wanted. And I'm super good about you. 'Cause my UP is not that cool.
What is up, savages? Yes, what is up, savages? It's your girl, Queen Savage, and I am back with another video. Bitch, I'm swaggy, I'm the motherfucking savage. Always taking what I want, and I know that they can't stand it. Subscribe to my channel so you can get to know me. Hit the bell, show me love, so you can see some more heat. Bitch, I'm swaggy, I'm the motherfucking savage. Today's video, we are partnering again with DSoar Hair. Thank you very much, DSoar Hair, for sponsoring this video. I already did another collaboration with them. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. So yes, let's see what they gave us. All right, what we have right here is we have a body wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig, 22 inches with a large cap, because you know your girl got a big head. And yeah, that's what we have right here. So let me show you guys the wig. I know I love that body wave, boo. This is not super long like I would have liked, but hey, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work.
Baby, wanna live just let me away. Want to feel myself no crazy. Away. Baby, wanna live just let me away. Want to feel myself no crazy. Can't take it. We should get away from here. Never back to this. It's all I wanted. And I'm super good about you. 'Cause my UP is not that cool.
Okay, y'all, that is all for today's video with DSoar Hair. Check out DSoar Hair. And you know, it got some good length. I didn't think it was gonna be this long. Like when I put it on, I think I was gonna like it this much, but I actually like it. Very soft. I had a little bit of shedding. Let me show you how my shedding. But most of my shedding came from cutting my lace and everything. And you know when you first take your hair out the pack, it's gonna shed just a little bit. So I just had very minimal shedding. I love the way it looks on me. I feel like this hair will last a long time. One of my biggest problems is when I get hair, I be wanting to get hair that's gonna last. Cause when you buy this hair, you spend a coin on this hair. This ain't no cheap hair, boo. So when you buy this hair, you be wanting this hair to last. I feel like this hair will definitely last. That's a and plus we want some that's gonna last. And I love it. It's super cute, super sexy, pert. And I cannot wait to go out this weekend and show off my DSoar hair. But with that being said, I will link everything in the description below. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
I'm